On site with Lee. He loves his PPE.
Okay, so we're here today in beautiful Scotland, a little place called Drumclog, and here working with Clarke Telecom, getting QTS ready for their future of rail innovation. Going to be putting up some IoT sensors using LoRaWAN technology, a couple of cameras, and all that lovely data is going to be sucked up into our site dashboard. Right, let's do this. Going to be using the LoRaWAN gateway. Nice bit of kit. It's going to be mounted just locally on a portal cabin, but these things go for, well, it's low frequency, high range, so 800 megahertz. This goes about 10 kilometers in free space. Might even be able to get us out to the hills over there. First up, from a sensor perspective, we're going to look at power monitoring and door open close. A range of gubbins in here, and very simply, LoRaWAN sensor clamped onto one of the live phases. It's going to give us some lovely data about what power is being drawn. And then just from a security perspective, we have a lovely door open close sensor. Flooding drain chambers can be a problem in the winter time. Leaves building up through these grills into that there. We've got a simple LoRaWAN sensor here. Just drop down the manhole cover, pin to the side, going to tell us when the water levels get to a height that indicates a blocked drain. Send some data off to site, you get an alert telling you you've got a potential blocked drain chamber. Right, next one. Moving plant across the running rails. What happens if you've got some failing rails but you're not aware of it? Vibration detector. We've got a little sensor down there. Nice little purple unmasked video from Yasik on bridge strikes. If you're interested in vibration patterns, take a look at that if you can. We've also got a little surface temperature probe there. What we're looking for is detecting anomalies in the surface temperature of the running rail, and we can make that relative to the ambient temperature, so we can start to build a pattern what temperature looks like versus ambient temperature in extreme heat events. So I'm sure our data scientists can make a huge episode about that one, but look out for that one, I guess, in a up and coming purple unmasked. Right, on to the next one. Okay, final one of the day, air quality. We are now in the machine workshop where all the plant comes in. You can imagine all the diesel fumes will be building up, people working in here all the time. The effects are the volatile organic compounds, or PM 2.5, I think they are, particulate matter. Simple, reports up to site on an hourly basis. You can plot carbon monoxide, oxygen levels, temperature, all that sort of stuff that data scientists love. And I'm sure Yasik will again build another purple unmasked video on that one. So that's it for today. We'll have to go and put all this stuff on the site dashboard now. Thanks a lot.